What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on CCIV stock. First of all, brief summary about the CCIV company. Churchill Capital Corporation Ford engaged in operation of a blank check firm. The firm was formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. And the rumors are they want to merge with the Lucid Motors. And as you can see, it is a great EV company with their product Lucid Air. It is look how beautiful this car is, and you can order this car and it will be delivered in several months. And it has a great performance. It has great technologies behind them. And here is the article. It was published on February the 12th, and it says Lucid Motors and Churchill Capital, now much more likely to merge as a consortium of investors led by Van Rock Associates, look to sell their stake to the SPAC. Valuation remains the key. And we can see here the Bloomberg terminal, and it says the consortium led by Van Rock Associates proposed to sell Lucid Motors Incorporation to Churchill Capital Corporation for. The transaction was proposed on the 11th of January 2021. Financial terms of the transaction are unknown. And as you can see here, Van Rock Associates is one of the oldest investors in Lucid Motors, having participated in the company's Series B financing in 2009. And that's why we can see these buys on Churchill Capital stock. And we can see recent buys of institutional investors, and all the green lines are buys, recent buys. As you can see here, they made just a couple of days ago. And that's why we have this chart of CCIV stock. But before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So, my recent analysis was around this region, and since then some of you have profit of almost 60%, and some of you even made 100% as I predicted. And link to my previous video you will find in the description below and on your top right corner. And here is my Elliott wave breakdown. It was made at this point somewhere in the end of January. And for now, my greater scale, this one, is completely legit. And here I have to change just 2 points. This is the fourth wave, and this is the top of the fifth wave, and it forms the first wave on a greater scale. We are now forming the third wave. It is the very beginning of the third wave. And here is the retracement of this wave. We don't need for now these two tools. And this retracement, we didn't even hit 0.382 region, and this means it is very bullish trend. And as you can see across all the rumors behind the merger and this type of heavy buys across all the institutional investors and even mutual funds, we have this type of price movement and a good volume. So here was the retracement. On a 1 hour chart, we can see the zigzag of retracement. As you can see, this is our A wave, this is B, and this is C. And it's very technical. C wave has 5 waves in it, and A and B have only 3 waves. And we are starting to form a new pattern. And on top of that, here was, let me show you, here was the ascending triangle, and it breaks to the upside. As you can see here, we have a breakdown of this formation to the upside. And this is the next wave, and it is, in my opinion, it is one of the best stock that you can buy for the long term to have a huge profits with this company, because we have heavily growing EV sector for now, and it will grow, I think, maybe 5 or 10 years, and it will grow dramatically. And that's why you just can add your position. Each and every pullback, you can add your position. I think that we can have slight pullback to this resistance. Wait a second, to this resistance, and we might retest it one more time. And from this point you can add your position, but I think it's much better to starting to add your position right here. As you can see on 1 hour chart on indicators, I use percent RSI and MACD, and here is the volume down below. We have interesting picture. We have bearish divergence all across the RSI, but our MACD doesn't show us this type of divergence, and we can see clear uptrend on price movement. That's why it is a rare example of breaking the divergences. And I can show you one more thing. We don't have lower momentum each and every time in MACD indicator, and we can see clear support on our side from these points. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is the second one, and we are hovering in the middle of neutral zone, so we unload all the divergences. In my opinion, we hit the neutral zone right in the middle, and we have a room to the upside. That's why I don't think we can rely on this divergence, and that's why I think it is a good asset to buy. And let me show you one more thing. On a weekly time frame, we can see extremely overbought RSI. And for those of you who saw my video with BNGO, I encourage you not to buy at these levels of RSI. And let me explain why I think it is not the best indicator to rely on for now. As you can see with the BNGO, we have a long history with this indicator. We have so many price movements across all the years, basically 2 years from now, and we have enough history to rely on this indicator. But with CCIV, we don't have this information. It is just basically it is just a stick and nothing more, and that's why we have to rely on lower time frames. And they told us that basically we can invest in this company, and all the fundamentals are screaming that it is a good asset to invest in. And I encourage you to start buying for the long term. I mean, long term, it is more than 1 year, and you will be profitable. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.